Welcome to Use It or Lose It, a series about the math concepts you probably learned and probably have forgotten. Today we're going to answer the question, what is a term and why does it matter? A term is a number, a variable, or a combination of numbers and variables separated by a plus or a minus sign. For example, the expression 3 plus 4x plus y has three terms in it: the 3, the 4x, and the y. They're all separated by plus signs. Terms are useful in math because they can represent multiple things that interact with each other in a problem or a situation. And when you're doing problems in math, where you might be connecting two different concepts or more together, sometimes you'll even have like terms. You can combine like terms by adding the numbers together and keeping the letters the same. 2x plus 3x, both of them have the same letter, so you can do 2 plus 3 and say if I have 2x's over here, 3x's over there, I get 5x together. You can't do that with 2x plus 3y. It's a little confusing for people at first because x and y are both variables, but there's a reason they're getting different letters or different names. That means that x can be given a certain number, y can be given a certain number, and they don't have to be the same thing. If you want kind of a worked out idea here, if I say x is 4, 2x plus 3x we said was 5x. When I plug in 4 for x, I can do 2 times 4, that's 8, 3 times 4, that's 12, 8 plus 12 is 20. But if I do the same thing with my simplified or combined like terms, 5 times 4 is also 20. They represent the same thing. But if I told you x was 4 and y was 10, that doesn't get us to the same place when they're unlike terms and we try to combine them or put them together. It's also important you can identify terms when it comes to another really big math concept. If you can't identify the terms, you can't multiply correctly or distribute. For example, if I said distribute or multiply 4 into each piece of the expression, 2x plus 5x minus 10. If you don't identify that there are 1, 2, 3 pieces, then you don't know 4 has to get multiplied by 1, 2, 3 different things. You might also notice 2 of those are like terms. If you can identify terms and if they're the same kind of thing, you could either multiply by the 4 first, or you could put that 2x and 5x together to get 7x. Identifying terms is the basis of a lot of math. If you get into factoring, solving quadratic equations, or more complex expressions, simplifying rational expressions where you're breaking things into pieces and canceling, you need to be really comfortable with identifying terms. So anytime you're not sure how many pieces there are to the situation you're in, look for the pluses and the minuses. So now you know, terms are a big part of math, and they're easier to identify than you might think. Remember, you might use it, you might lose it, but if you ask the right questions, math can be approachable, understandable, and unintimidating. Until next time.